Welcome back everyone, and welcome if you're new. I'm continuing to bring you cleaning motivation from my home to yours, hoping it motivates you to do the same. If you're taking the time to watch this video, I would greatly appreciate if you would leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the content. This is the white blanket I purchased online to replace the off-white ivory color one that I had in my living room. I told you guys before in a prior video that I wanted to balance out the colors since there's mostly white in there. Here I wanted you to notice where I painted the off-white frames white as well. I painted the trim white, making sure that they popped and that they matched with everything else, as I was mentioning before. So I'm very pleased, as you see in this photo drop. I am pleased with the results, how everything came together. And these are the new slip covers that I purchased for my dining room chairs. I prefer the gray. I'm trying the crushed velvet look this time. I think it hides more, so you don't have to constantly wash and, you know, risk the fibers coming apart because it's washed so many times. I like the crushed velvet look. These were purchased from Walmart. I got 4 for 14 bucks, so I think that is really good. I also purchased the white blanket that we've seen before from Walmart. I think I forgot to mention that. But that comes from Walmart online as well.
Oh, I forgot. The hand's resisting him. Painter Bill Stoneham created this.
So here I mixed baking soda and peroxide, just your typical things you could purchase from Walmart, the Dollar General, and I'm making a paste. This is my first run, so I'm gonna see how this goes. Here I want to point out the discoloration on the jet tub face plates, the yellow. We're going to try to get those bleached lighter. I don't know how that's going to go, but we're going to try.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that
So now the paste is applied and we're gonna wait. Okay, now the paste has been removed. I think the one on the far right has a little bit of a bleaching agent done to it, but the other ones on the left need a lot more, so we're gonna try to do that some more later. I'm gonna find something else that's a little stronger.
2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.